Electricity, as we've mentioned before, is inseparable from our daily life. Besides nuclear power, what other options do we have to provide clean and cheap electricity? Solar power station might be one answer. Hello, and welcome to this episode of Fun Facts. I'm Chris. Today, let's talk about the integrated solar electricity projects. Have you ever heard a solar electricity project that combines agricultural and photovoltaic power generation? In Payin Sichuan, a village in Dali Prefecture's Bingchuan County, Yunnan Province, has one of this kind of solar power stations. It was built by Hong Kong power company CLP, represents an innovative step by CLP in its pursuit of new energy development, and at the same time focusing on delivering economic values to the local community. The biggest difference between the Sichuan project and traditional solar electricity projects is its novel development model that integrates agriculture and solar power generation. In the initial planning stage, the project team worked with Kunming University's School of Agriculture and to study an innovative operational model that could generate electricity on the panels and grow crops below. After conducting thorough feasibility studies, it was decided to plant the coal-hardy honeysuckle below the photovoltaic panels by making use of the condensate collected. Honeysuckle is a crop commonly used in Chinese medicine for curing cold and inflammation. The planting of honeysuckles, which only require moderate watering to grow, also helps address the pervasive problem of soil erosion in the area. Phase 1 of the project developed 900 mu of land, while plans are underway to grow cash crops such as honeysuckles, edible roses, Chinese herbs, and forage grass in Phase 2 of the project to amplify the synergy between agriculture and solar power. Photovoltaic panels can reduce ultraviolet damage to crops and mitigate the nighttime drop in temperature, keeping the crops warm at night. They provide excellent conditions for crops such as honeysuckles. Since the conditions of the solar panels are directly tied with the quality of the harvests, it helps strengthen the relationship between the villagers and the power station. The good thing about this project was that villagers no longer had to leave the village to find jobs, but to plant crops near home. This is especially important to villagers whose families have been farmers for generations. Although the villagers who lease their lands no longer work on the fields, the innovative model of Sichuan solar power station allows them to reap economic benefits from their lands. Currently, the power plant provides over 60 permanent employment positions and 11,000 temporary ones, which can help alleviate over 30 households out of poverty. The project therefore creates real economic and social benefits. The success of the Sichuan Solar Power Station has been acknowledged, and it was recognized as a demonstration project for photovoltaic power generation in Dali Prefecture. It was given an Industry and Enterprise Award by Yunnan Provincial Government in recognition of its special achievements. That's all for today's Fun Facts. See you next time!